Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're reacting to Disturb, the Sound of Silence. So I've actually listened to this song before. I've even reacted to the original song from Simon Garfunkel. So today we're reacting to the Disturb version, in which we have not done on this very channel. So let's just jump right straight into it. And while we're doing that, if you're new, subscribe if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's go. Okay, let's play. All right.
Vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a split midnight and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing of silence. Forfeit, you do not know.
Disturb, the sound of silence. The song, oh my god, like, guys, I mean, the very first day I listened to this song, I cried the hell out of my life. I mean, does the guy's voice is so deep. I mean, oh my god, like this song always make me just think about some things and just get me so emotional, make me remember some people, and I don't know, I really love the Disturb, their version of the song so much because of that deep voice, because the voice just, it's kind of scary and deep, gets you so deep down, make you go so emotional. I mean, I really love this version of the song. I don't know, but anyways, guys, I really did enjoy the song. Just like I told you guys, I've listened to this song so many times. Like, I just can't get enough of this song. I just can't get enough of the beat, the deep voice. I just think that's beautiful, that's amazing, you know. Anyways, guys, so that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new, and as well drop your recommendations down below in the comment section, and what you think about this song, just leave it in the comment section. Anyways, that's it for this video, and yeah, always remember to be true to yourself. Anyways, so that's it for this video, and thank you for being here. I love and appreciate every one of you. I want to say thank you. So that will be it on this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, and stay blessed.